Come on, everybody. My lovers, come on in. A lot of you have told me that you love my life. Y'all look out for, y'all look, what is the English? Y'all look forward to my life, guys. I have few updates for you guys. I am so excited. Come on in, everyone. Coachella is live. Let's talk a little bit. Let me give you some good news, some updates, some industry news, and we're gonna get rolling here. Congratulations to my VIPs. Congratulations, Don. I see you, Courtney. I see you, Sheila. I see you. Welcome, everybody. Stay right there. Don't go anywhere. Listen to this good news here, guys. First of all, the first news is that we have our first kickoff meeting, the VIP meeting, right? Remember, we're subcontracting and we're making money on this side. I am happy to let you know that my VIPs are, so when we met, so we did the first meeting today, and it's a lot of troubleshooting and brainstorming, right? And we concluded that it is possible for each business, right, each contractor to make, hey Sierra, I see you, to make $7,000 per month, per week. And we hope so with our few analysis, right? So just wanted to tell you that it is possible. If you have been sitting on this fence, you better get off fence. We have work to do. And I actually opened this opportunity solely for my paid in full VIP tickets. So if you are a VIP ticket holder but you're making installment payments, you wouldn't be able to partake unless you are done and completely have paid your money in full, your VIP ticket in full. Then you will be on board. For right now, it's 8 people that have paid in full, and we are test running. And in conclusion, we are anticipating that each members will make $7,000 a week with all of our strategies in play. Natasha, I sent you the EPA link, the updated version without customization. So go ahead and take note of that. So that's just one news, by the way. So guys, another thing that I don't think you guys are hearing or doing or acting on is, I said, if you go ahead and purchase your ticket as an early bird, you are going to get free lab accounts. And for some reason, you guys are missing that part of it. Not sure what's going on. Yeah, tell them, Sierra. Oh, Natasha, we forgot about what we wanted to tell the VIPs. God damn it. Natasha, please take notes on Wednesday when we are doing the training. Please, we got to bring them on board. We forgot to tell them. Hey, Nicola. Hey, Kiara. So, yeah, Sierra, tell them, go get your ticket, y'all doing too much and wasting time for no reason. Guess what? The deadline for your early bird ticket is the 30th. And after the 30th, you can't get the early bird numbers. You're going to have to pay $1,000. Because guess what? You will pay. You're going to pay, because I'm telling you, I'm giving you a lifetime asset value. This conference is full of value. There is no way you're going to miss it ever. I haven't seen it. So confident in what I'm selling here. So you might as well go buy out. Might as well I'm going to sell out. Trust me. It's confidence. It's real. I'm bringing you into the ecosystem where we're going to be deliberating and collaborating over $1 billion in government contract. Like, who does that in the industry? Nowhere. Even all those people that claim that they are governments, this government, that. And this is happening because God has led me to do this. I hope you know that. So if you have not bought your ticket, you might as well go buy your ticket. If not for anything, for 2 things: for the ecosystem, for the that's right. All gas and no breaks for us. We ain't taking no break. We're gonna make it 7,000 every week. That's what we're gonna do. And I know ideas are gonna keep popping. You see what y'all were dropping heavily today. Tell people what they're about to miss, though. So anywho, so yeah. And if you don't, if you're take note. We forgot to tell the VIPs on what we wanted them to do. Remember, you and I are going live tomorrow. So again, you also have to come live, because Natasha and I are going live. We're talking about some new things and just helping you understand the things that is not connecting. We're going to help you to connect some dots here. And you want to join us live tomorrow. We have the flyer up there. Make sure you're here. When you see me go live tomorrow, you might as well come on, because Natasha she can't wait. The girl is on fire already. And my VIP can attest states. So take note of that, because we forgot to tell them. It's not on the agenda. That's why I said we needed to put it on the agenda. We forgot to tell them the agenda, the thing that we said we're going to tell them. So, what was I getting ready to say? So if you're not even gonna come to conference for anything, you should come and get the blueprint on how you can get your own $3.8 billion contract in your state. And you won't see this on Google. There is no way on earth you would learn this unless if I tell you the blueprint. And you can't miss it with my blueprint. And on top of that, what I've went back to do, in addition to the workshop, I'm actually going to have 3 workshops. And I'm going to have 3 trainers that would lead the workshop. So we're going to have one training on lead testing. You're going to be testing. You're going to be doing finger sticks, right? Because you are going to take this idea. You're going to run away with it to your state. So I might as well equip you and help you get ready so that by the time you get your contract, you know what you're doing. I'm doing that on day 2 for you. And on top of that, day 2 workshop is the DNA, and we talk about the AABB certification as well as immigration, right? You also want to get to know all that. And the drug testing for sure. So we're having all of these things on day 2. So if there is any reason why you have been stingy, you don't want to pay $800 early bird ticket, I don't get it. But and on top of that, like I've listed everything that you're going to be getting out of conference. So Natasha and I are actually going live tomorrow to break these things down. On top of the things because sometimes we felt that it's because it's a lot. Y'all can't, because, and I see people be calling me, oh, where can I find this information? Where? And I've been posting these things, right? So we are taking it upon ourselves to go live tomorrow to break these things down, the things that you're about to miss. And you don't want to miss it. I am confidently telling you that we are, and I don't know, I think I shared, you know how much I paid? I think I did. I posted a screenshot, but the screenshot, the post is scheduled to go out tomorrow because I always do my scheduling. And you will see, because now there is a demo for me. Oh Lord, y'all don't know what I'm doing and what I'm bringing to you guys or what I bring to the table. But anyway, my VIPs can tell you. They are in the group. They are in the chat. Go read. I hope you're seeing all those things. Yeah, don't miss life. Even Sierra is going to join us tomorrow. We're going big. Is it that we go big or we go home? Nicole called me today like, Coachella, I trust you. And Nicole already got a ticket too. And Nicole is also going to help us to do the one of the workshops. So Nicole is leading the DNA workshop. Wait for these updates. You know what I've been cooking on your behalf? And the food is almost ready. By the time I ask you to come and eat, you must be ready. You must have your spoon, your fork, your plate. You must have those things. Get ready because we're cooking right now. You know, we're going to be dishing. Some of the things we're going to start dishing from tomorrow. Because we've been working effortlessly behind. You know what I mean? But conference is this one that you want to miss. Some of you, you're like, gosh, you're still like this. You don't want to buy your tickets. Stay right there. Don't buy your tickets. The tickets will buy you in a minute. Oh, I deleted it, Sierra. I deleted it because I left some things that people are easily going to be able to search. And, you know, you can't share all that in a minute. I deleted it. Let me know if it's still up there, but I deleted it. But I rescheduled it for tomorrow. It's going to go out. I'm going to blow your mind. But you saw it, Sierra, right? You saw that, right? I already paid. I paid $20,000 to get in that lady's room. And I'm going to make my money back because you all are going to sign up. Y'all going to pay for that. Trust me. Elizabeth is telling you that right now. Because it's not because you're going to pay me to make me rich. I'm actually making you rich. I'm going to bring you into the ecosystem. You'll be deliberating and collaborating over funds that the leaders are going to be calling us. Hey, you see this one? We just put it. Go and get the money. You don't understand this plug. You haven't seen this plug. It will shock you. I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you right now. I paid $20,000 yesterday night. I mean, they locked me in already. See, I saw it. I had to go back and delete it though. I'm in the ecosystem. You know what they call ecosystem? And I'm telling you, come and get the blueprint. If you're going to be in conference, if you already paid your ticket, you don't have anything to worry. You're locked in. Yeah, Sierra is in the. Sierra, keep telling them. Let them see. You will see the post tomorrow. That's why you have to even turn on your notifications. So when I'm live, when I'm talking, I'm not here to talk about jargons. It's either I go big or go home. Like Nicole called me, like, Coach, because she knows. And I'm very frank. I haven't done no conference before. But if I'm doing anything, I'm doing it top notch. I'm doing it top notch. Y'all have a problem to pay $800. I literally just paid 20 grand to put me amongst the kings. Because I know it's a return on investment. I'm going to get my money back. Either way. Either way. Either way. Either way. I'm talking about ecosystem. Y'all don't understand. God. Anywho, at least my VIPs have seen that the lead testing is not fake. It's real. And one person by the grace of God is guaranteed. And if we can do more, that's just the minimum. Ew, ATL, we're coming for full force. We're coming. Like, what was I saying? It's just the pilots right now we're test running. One person will be making 7 grand in a week. That's nothing. Trust me. But for a start, we're fine. We're going to do better. We're coming. So if you have a VIP ticket, no, we're not wasting. Sierra, Sierra was the first person that bought a ticket. Like, she didn't even like ask for no payment plan because she knows either way she's going to pay it anyway. So payment plan, no payment plan. You're going to have to pay it because it's not refundable. So even if you've made a payment and you're not going to finish payments, that's your money. You wasted it already. You know what I'm saying? So you might as well just anything worth doing at all worth doing well. That's what we were saying though. Where on this, well, I have to be mindful. Where in this industry is anyone giving you money? Like those people that paid the VIP ticket up, they are guaranteed of making their money back in just 1 week. And these are the exact things. It's not just that thing. So many things lined up that you're going to be getting of this experience. What about the trainer? Shikel and I just spoke like an hour ago. Shikel said some girls slide in her inbox and they were looking for training. That is exactly what's going to happen. DOT specimen collector training is not going to go anywhere. A lot. You know, if I show you my screen, you know how many DOT drug testing I've sold? That is to tell you that it is a necessity and it's a needed services. And I said every of my VIPs will be trained as a trainer. So you guys are going to be walking away with your train the trainer certificates. And if you are not a VIP ticket and you happen to be interested in that offer, because my VIP ticket is sold out, we're not selling VIP no more, and you want the trainer, slide in my inbox, because this is a leverage. You will be able to make money, because I can't do DOT drug testing for everybody in the world, because your audience are not my audience. We'll have different audiences. So that's another leverage. That's another pathway. You're